5 which is equals to C2 by C3 which is equals to 6 by 3 which is equals to 2. This implies A2 by A3 is equals to B2 by B3 which is equals to C2 by C3. This implies AB and BC were collinear before. Now in this case AC and BC will also be collinear, and if the two lines are collinear, this implies AB and BC are collinear, AC and BC are collinear. This implies, man, AB and AC are collinear. So moving on to the question number 5. Find the direction cosines of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 3, 5, -4, and -1, 1, and 2, and -5, -5, and -2. As you can see in NCERT of class 12, exercise 11.1, which is the chapter 3-dimensional geometry, it is given that direction cosines of the sides of the triangle. Vertices of the triangle are given 3, 5, -4. As you can see from the book, I'm not going to repeat it once again. Direction, we have to calculate the direction cosines. That implies we have to calculate L, M, and N. So we can calculate it by calculating direction ratios first, which will be A equals to -1, -3, which is equals to -4. B equals to, that will not be the case, because it is just for, let's say it is A1, B1 and C1. We are calculating for line AB. The direction ratios will be A1 is equals to -1, -3, which will be -4, and B1 will be 1 -5, which will be -4. C1 will be 2 minus of -4, which will be 6. In case of BC, we have A2 equals to -5. A2 will be -5, minus of -1, which will be -5, plus 1, which will be -4. And in case of B2, we have, what we have? Okay, it's been 3 after. In case of BC, B2 will be -5, -1, which will be -6. C2 will be -2, -2, which will be -4. AC, do we have to calculate AC? Yeah. A3 will be -5, -3, which will be -8. B3 will be -5, -5, which will be -10. C3 will be -2, minus of -4, which will be -2, plus 4, which will be 2. Now L1 equals to A1 by root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, which will be -4 by root of 4 is 16 plus 4 is 16 plus 36, which will be -4 by root of 32 plus 36, which will be -4 by root of 68, my fault, my bad. 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 7 is 14, which would be -4 by 2 root 17. We can cancel 4 with 2. We can cancel 4 with 2, which will lead us to -2 by root 17, and M1 will be -4 by 2 root 17, which will again be -2 by root 17. N1 will be Boston. Okay, N1 will be, what will N1 be? N1 will be 6 by 2 root 17, which will be 3 by root 17. L2 will be, what will L2 be? L2 will be minus 4 by root of minus 4 ka whole square plus minus 6 ka whole square plus minus 4 ka whole square, which will be minus 4 by root 16 plus 36 plus 16 equals to minus 4 by root 16 plus 16 will be 32. 16 plus 16 will be 32 plus 36 will be 68, which is the same again, which will be minus 4 by 2 root 17. If you know the table of 17, you must be knowing that 17 is 17, 72 is 34, 73 is 57, sorry, 17 is 17, 72 is 34, 73 is 51, 71 is 68, 75 is 65, sorry, 75 is not 65. I do not remember 17 table. I need to recall it right now. 17 is 17, 72 is 34, 73 is 51, 74 is 68, 75 is 85, 75 is 85, 17 6 is I don't know. 17 6 will be, I'm adding 17 in 85, which will be 102. Okay, now I think it will be 119. That's because of my memory. I'm not adding again. Now I have to add because I don't remember after 119. It will be 6 plus 136. Now I think 153. 153. Yes, it is. Okay, 17 is 17, 72 is 34, 73 is 51, 74 is 68, 75 is 85, 76 is 102, 17 is 119, 17 8 is 136, 17 9 is 153, 17 10 is 117. Okay, let's be furious. M2 will be B2 by root A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square, which will be minus 6 by 2 root 17, which will be minus 3 by root 17, and 2 will be minus 4 by 2 root 17, minus 2 by root 17. L3 will be B. What will that be? That will be minus 8 by root A square plus square, which will be is equals to minus 8 by 8 is 64 plus, let's add 64 plus 100 plus 4, which will be 168. Root of 168, which will be minus, okay, we have to calculate the root of 164, which we know by long division method. Yes, it is long. 2 is the 16, 2 4 is the 8, 2 4 is the 8, 2 2 is the 4, 2 2 is the 1, 2 1 is the 3, 2 7 is the 7, 1 is the 1, which will be minus 8 by 2 root 7, 42, which will be minus 4 by root 42. Now let's calculate M3, which will be, what will that be? Is question 5 the last question? Yes, it is the last question of this exercise. Woohoo! Okay, that was not exciting. That tone was not exciting. That tone did not make others understand that you are excited. It is what it is. Root 42 minus 5 by root 42, and 3 will be 2 by root 42, which will be 1 by root 42. Now let's see our answer whether it is correct or not correct. If it comes out to be wrong, then I don't have the guts to do this long question again. No, I don't have that. Okay, let's see What exercise was this? 11.1. Okay, my bad. Okay, L1 is minus 4 by root, okay, minus 2 by root 17, and L2, M1 is minus 2 by root 17, and N1 is 3 by 17. How can it be 3 by 17? It will be 3 by root 17. I'm correcting the answer. You can see I'm correcting the answer of the NCERT book. Brain, which needs brain. Let me remind you. L2 will be minus 2 by root 17 according to my calculation. Yes, it is also the same as the answer of NCERT book. Yes, M2 is also same, N2 is also same. L3 is also same. No, it is not same because... Okay, so it is recording again. So let's put this here. Okay, it's so difficult to fit the camera. Okay, so I'm looking very black. Like very black. Okay, what is this happening? Okay, I think this will be the case. So it's fine now, I think. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Let's tip the table a bit here. Well, it is dancing. Okay. So I will ask this question to Sir Badr. I will ask this about exercise 11.1 to Sir that if we get the opposite sign of what actually it is, so will it be called wrong or right, because my procedure is correct. Sorry, I'm a little bit weak in English, but you have to cope with me because you're watching my video. So it is what it is. I hope you understand. Question number 5. Let's ask it today in tuition. So the time is right now. Okay, my watch has stopped. It is actually 3:26. Oh my god. I should go. I should go now.